Now his beak has a little bit of overgrowth on it. Shake it off. Shake it
Pick it
off,
up,
buddy.
Lippy.
Shake it, shake it. Shake, shake. So what I normally do if I'm going to people's homes is I will let them rescue the bird from
I
me.
don't want somebody to rescue it,
And
so we gotta pick them up.
it's always good to groom birds separately. There you go, shake, shake. Good boy. It's better to do it when the owners aren't around because most of them are so uptight and stuff, they panic when they hear the bird making noise and stuff, so if you get the opportunity to do it away from them, even better. I find I'd rather have them go in the other room while I'm grooming them, and that way they don't have to be stressed out, because it's usually pretty stressful on the owner seeing it, because they love their pets, right?
You want a drink of water now?
And,
Give me a drink of water.
here first.
Ready? Give me a drink of water.
So, now his beak, I'm going to give him a break for a little bit, and we'll do his beak after, but you can see I'll let you guys come up and take a look at him up